Alright, family, welcome back to your very own channel Travel Walk Through and Beyond. I'm your host Nitin, and today is the end of the 17th day of the 12 weeks fitness challenge. And so, this is the third day of the third week running, which is brisk walk. So, now I am back in the full form on a proper brisk walk that I did today. Took 3 rounds of this 3 kilometers 1 round park, so feeling great and proud on that accomplishment. I see Deepayan joined. Hello Deepayan, how are you? So yeah, 3 rounds of 3 kilometers approximately of this park complete again today, third day in a row. And so today I can claim that I did a proper brisk walk, not a hybrid or a slouch, a proper brisk walk. Hello Gopal ji, kaise ho? So yeah, so feeling great about it, and my foot's I think healed 98-99%. So no trouble with that. So I think I'm gonna continue with this pace for another day. Just wanted to make sure that my legs and my feet and my especially my right foot's fine. So that's the reason I didn't wanna stress it with running. Oh yeah, sorry, third week was gonna be running, but I think I'm gonna continue with the brisk for the week before I actually start running, to make sure that I've built up another enough of endurance to avoid any injuries, and two, before I start running, need to make sure that I shed enough weight so that it's not a problem when I'm running. I feel lighter, so I'm gonna check my weight and see how much of a weight loss has happened. So I would like to bring it down to at least a 78 or something before I actually start running. So let's see how it goes. So how was Christmas, guys? And I hope it was good and fun. So did any of you guys think about starting a plan? If not, then probably you can consider. All you have to do is just get out and start walking. That's all. I see a Vani joined. Hi Vani. Ashima Feroz, hello there. So like I shared with you last week that when I started the brisk walk, the hybrid one, I could already feel the difference, and the fact that when you start, then your calf muscles and your shin is gonna hurt, it's gonna give you pain, but that's normal, because obviously when you have not been in a routine or a habit of walking that much, like 90 minutes or 60 minutes continuous, then it's gonna pain. So but that's a good part, because you're building up your calf muscles and your shin. So once you walk like a week or two with that is going to help you strengthen and build strong calf and the shin muscles. So when you actually do or start doing running, it's going to put less stress, and also by that time you would have and should have lost some weight, which will support your running further. Because if you're gonna run like when I started I had a 83 point something of the weight, so if you're gonna run with that straight away or brisk walk, then there's a very high possibility that you might end up getting hurt or something. So you don't want to do that. So that is the reason why I came up with a 12 weeks plan, because I knew that in the beginning, in the start, it's going to be not easy. So just wanted to make that I take it slow, and step by step I'm going to increase the intensity, like how you shift gears when you're cycling. So in a similar way, I'm going to switch the technique and the intensity every couple of weeks subsequently. So I think if you're thinking about starting, then the first week or 10 days is okay with the walk. One, to get you used to the routine, getting out and build up a little bit of stamina, endurance. And after 2 weeks is what I suggest that you start brisk walking for another week or two. So like that for about a month. One, you would have built up a routine, a habit of getting out anytime, doesn't matter, based on your convenience and the facility that you have around you where you live. Two, it's going to help you build up some strength and muscles. So when you actually start with the more tedious, I would say right now, in case you haven't started, but more taxing part of it, then you're going to need that. It's going to help you. So that's all. So tomorrow morning I'm actually going to measure weight again. I couldn't do that today, was tied up. And once again, so I see Sankli I joined. Hi Sankli. But I have observed other changes. So you do feel more active, and you feel more fresh, obviously, after having a fitness routine like that. And you do feel like doing more active stuff easily, because your body starts to get adjusted and used to it. So those are some of the benefits that come along. I see Nelson join. Hi Nelson, how are you? So in case this is helping you out, then that's great. And if you feel that there's somebody you need to share it with who needs to see this to get some motivation, I hope they find that. And that's all the update about my today's walk and the routine so far. So that's all for today. So remember, move more, eat less. Oh man, there's a dog. So move more, eat less, and that's all. I haven't been doing much about the diet right now. Just having the regular home cooked food. Nothing special. No special just simple homemade food. Of course, I've been avoiding certain things. Hello. So I'll tell you about that. So in the coming weeks, I'll also start telling you about the diet. If this, okay, meet my friend. So he's Brownie. I meet him every day when I'm going for a walk. He just stays right outside my place. So whenever I'm coming back or leaving for the walk, he wouldn't let me you know, pass without some token of love. There's another one. Rocket. Hello. Hmm. Yeah. अच्छा जाना है जाना बाय बाय so that's my walk companion. So I guess that's about it. So I'll share updates about food in the coming weeks. Right now I'm not just doing anything special. Yes, I've been having cereals for breakfast and home cooked food and maybe some protein rich sandwich in the food sense. So I'll give you more updates later. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman. Bye bye.